Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Brawl of the Wild, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 9. Sammy Hamilton presents a Gassy Behemoth animation production, Dog Man, the Major Motion Picture, rated K9, suitable for canines. Meanwhile,
hey, look! It's that living spray factory outlet over there. And check it out! Somebody is robbing the place. Let's get him! Stop me, you crazy imposter! Now to find out who this imposter really is. Hey! It's those little fleas guys from our last book.
that's right! We've got one final trick up our sleeve.
Oh no! They've got living spray! If they spray it on my car, it'll come to life! And it'll be super evil!
Hey! That poodle stole my living spray! Let go of my living spray! Come on, everybody! Let's go downstairs and watch the movie!
Come on, Sarah! Let's go upstairs and save Zuzu!
We've got you new! Ferociously feminine Flipporama! Ready? Hey, do you guys want some popcorn?
Thanks, Chief! Look! We caught the robber! It was just those little fleas guys in a robot suit! Hey! Where'd they go?
Hurry up, you lazy belly scratchers! And I'm President Button too, so don't bother asking!
Boy, this is the best pretty movie I've ever seen!
Warning! Content under pressure. Keep away from claiming stuff. Meanwhile...
Hey, Papa, when we finish fixing this bee, can we go save Dog Man?
No!
How come?
Why should I care about Dog Man? He's the reason I got locked up in the first place.
Hey, Papa, do you want to hear a joke?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because your jokes aren't funny.
Why?
Because you keep repeating yourself.
Why?
Because you can't keep doing the same dumb things over and over and over again.
Why?
Because if you're going to do something, you should do it well.
Why?
Because you should try to improve.
Why?
Because if you don't challenge yourself to grow, what's the point?
Why?
Because you should always strive to be a great cat.
Why?
Hey, I know what you're doing. You're trying to trick me.
Why?
How should I know? Look here, mister. I'm the bad guy. That's all I've ever been.
You shouldn't keep repeating yourself, Papa. You can't keep doing the same dumb things over and over and over again. If you're going to do something, you should do it well. You should always try to improve. Because if you don't challenge yourself to grow, what's the point? You should always strive to be a great cat. Right, Papa?